Hey guys, welcome to myecon. I know a lot of you that just signed up. You may or may not know me, but this is your upline, Will. I just wanted to go ahead and just walk you through what you need to do now that you're a member. So the first things first, we're not going to waste any time. You should have already received the email from the company. Now, they're probably going to email you 2 or 3 times after you sign up, but the email that I'm referring to is the first one that they emailed you. The reason why it's so important is because it has your password and your login information. So as you can see, this was my temporary password. I changed it, of course. Once you log in, you need to change it as well. So in order for you to log in, all you would have to do, and the reason why you're logging in is because you want to get started. A lot of you want to shift your income. You want to do the income shift. You want to start getting back that extra $200 to $500 a month back on your paycheck as soon as possible. So this is how you do it, guys. You log in. It's gonna probably bring up another window. If you're doing it on your phone or if you're doing it on your computer, gotta excuse me. Um, Internet is kind of slow where I'm at. So once you're here, okay, guys, it's gonna probably look a little different on your phone. If you're on your phone, it's probably gonna be three little lines on this side right here, and you would just click log in. All right, you log in with that password that you had. Click log in. I'm gonna pause it so I can go ahead and log in. But before I pause it, guys, I just wanted to make sure that you guys understand your username is the username that was in front of your website. Okay? So just so you guys understand, you see this part right here? Mine is Mr. No Excuses. That is the username that you chose. All right? And you see you had a temporary password, so you want to reset that. So I'm going to go ahead and log in, and I'm going to show you what to do next. Okay, guys, now that I'm logged in, you should see your screen should look similar to this, whether you're on your phone or your computer. The first thing we want to make sure that we do now that we're in, okay, you want to set up your direct deposit. So before we do any of this stuff, set up your direct deposit. Okay, go over your compensation form. So let's go ahead and take care of that. Click on my account. Okay. Once you bring up my account, you're gonna see where it says direct deposit. Excuse me. Right there. Okay. Now I'm not gonna click on it obviously because you'll see my direct deposit information. But that's the spot that you would do that at. Okay. If you needed to change anything as far as your address and your phone number, you would change it there. All right. If you need to change your password, that's where you change it. But guys, it's pretty simple. Okay, so I'm just gonna click back, and then I'm gonna walk you through what you need to do next. So that's for your direct deposit. For your W-4 form, well, I'm moving ahead. You need to click on quick start orientation. Excuse me. Once you get to this page, click on quick start orientation. I'm gonna keep this video. This video is not gonna be no longer than 5 minutes because I want you to go ahead and get started. Um, you're gonna watch these things, guys. All right, it's very important. If you want to be successful in your business, you gotta understand what your business is about. And like I said, a lot of you signed up because you want to do that income shift, which is being able to get an extra $200 to $500 a month or more back at your paycheck, back on your paycheck, without you having to work extra hours. So this is how you do it. These videos teach you how to do that. So the very first 2 videos are extremely important. Really, all of these are important because they help you understand what you need to do. Okay, so make sure that you watch these modules. All right. Let me see. I mean, really, you could watch all of them, but we're going to provide you with training. I would say the most important videos are all of them. Yes, just watch all of them. I mean, even if you just do it one time, guys, go ahead and just get it done. All right, watch all of them. You have a basic understanding of how this works. But we're gonna provide you with training and status updates and ads and things like that, so you can start posting. And basically, all it is just copying and pasting information, guys. A lot of you guys, y'all, pretty much you don't know where you need to start. This video explained what you need to do, how you find your password, how you log in, how you get started. Okay, it's very simple, guys. You just copy and paste the information. All right, who does not want to get the extra money back on their paycheck? Who does not want to raise their credit score up to 750 or higher? Who does not want to eliminate debt? Okay, guys. So in the next video, okay, we're gonna cover a lot of other things that we need to get into. But I just wanted to touch on these things basic so you know where everything is at. Okay, and just so you know, just you can click on these things. I mean, this is your business, so you want to make sure that you click on each of these tabs, right? Click on each of these tabs and see where they go. I mean, this, you can navigate through your system. This is your website, but you paid for it. All right. So just click on um, different buttons. You're not gonna mess anything up, guys. It's just gonna break everything down for you. All right. If you have any questions, feel free to reach back out to me. But like I said, this is just a basic video. So I'll see you on the next video.